Shall we begin?
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today there won't be any b-boy tutorial. Instead, I'm gonna share with you guys my daily fitness routine, and this fitness routine is solely based from Goku, which is from the Dragon Ball. Most of you guys probably didn't know that I'm big Dragon Ball fans. I've been watching Dragon Ball since I was a kid, and until now I'm still loving it. I don't care if it's a Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Super, and now they got a new one called Dragon Ball Heroes. I'm still loving it. And not only I love to watch Dragon Ball, but also love how the mentality of the heroes have. For example, you should train hard. When you get beaten down, you should, rise back up. And the best one is for the Saiyans. If you're about to die and you get revived, your power level is way more higher. And all of those can be applied or should be applied in our daily life, whether in your business and also in the gym. A few months ago I saw a video on YouTube where people are getting or do small clip from the Dragon Ball and compile it into one motivation video, and most of the clip that they use is where Goku on the way to Namek before he battling Uniforce and Frieza. Surprisingly, when I watched that video, I feel that those, or not all the move, but most of the move that Goku did on that training, we can do it. Because if you're Dragon Ball fans, you know that most of the move that Dragon Ball use is impossible. Alright, at least most of them. But for that one, I think that I can use it and create my own routine based on or inspired on the training that Goku did. So I decided to create my own fitness routine based on that Goku's training. So believe me, what I did in my routine, most of you guys can do it, because there won't be any flips or any crazy move. I just getting or implement what Goku's did and make it into the real life routine. Without further ado, let's start the training. Now, before we get into the routine, we're gonna make sure that our body is warming up first. So we're gonna do a simple 15 reps of 4 sets of push-ups. Next, do 20 reps of 4 sets of sit-up. Do take note when you got up at your back, make sure you move your body to each side like how the video shows.
Shall we begin?
Do 20 reps of 4 sets of handstand push-up. Your legs should be straight all the time while doing the handstand push-up. For one hand push-up, I do 5 reps for each set. I'm right-handed. Actually, my right hand is a lot more stronger than my left hand, but my left hand can only do 5 reps. That is why I chose 5 reps, because I want to keep the balance between those two. Do 4 sets of 20 reps of sit-ups, but this time using adjustable bench. Do another 20 reps of 4 sets of sit-ups, but this time using 5 kg weight each hand. There you go guys, my Dragon Ball inspired fitness routine. I usually do this 6 times a week, and if you still remember, I did a video on strength and conditioning exercise. So here's my schedule, right? Don't get confused. Every day I woke up at 5, and then I will start doing this Dragon Ball Z inspired routine or my daily fitness routine. Okay, after that I go to work. When I come back around 4 or 5 p.m. I will start doing the conditioning and strength exercise. And other things that you guys have to know is that I don't drink, I don't smoke, I eat very clean, I drink a lot of water, and I don't drink any weight gainer now. I used to drink, but now, starting this year, I didn't drink any weight gainer because I feel that I prefer to eat the real food, the food that provide the real vitamin into my body. But for the weight gainer stuff, it's optional. If you want to drink, it's fine. Just make sure you drink a lot of water, and also make sure that you also eat a lot of good food, even though you drink the weight gainer. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.